Hi everyone, welcome to my little crochet corner. In today's video, I will show you how to make this gorgeous hair tie. This one is inspired from the look of Rapunzel from Tangled, so I have used shades of purple and lavender, but you can use your own choice of color. You can make this hair tie under 2 hours and it will elevate any boring look. So let's learn how to make it. We will start with the first color. For me it's pink and make a magic ring. After making the ring, you will make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. So start making single crochets into the magic ring and make a total of 6. After making 6 single crochets, you will close the ring and slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 3 and skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into the next stitch. Again chain 3, skip the next stitch and make one single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this one more time. So chain 3, skip one stitch and make a single crochet into the last stitch. Here we will get 3 chain 3 spaces. So as you can see, I have created 3 chain 3 spaces, and into these spaces we will make the petals of the flowers. So slip stitch into the first chain 3 space, chain 3, make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 double crochets, chain 3 again and make a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. That makes our first petal. Now we will make the second petal. For that, again slip stitch into the next chain 3 space, chain 3, make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. Repeat this one more time to make a total of 3 petals. Here I am done with my 3 petals, and now we will turn the work and attach the next color, which is dark pink for me. We will attach the next color to these 3 joining stitches. As you can see, this stitch right here, here we will join the yarn. Into this stitch we will pull through our yarn and tie this. After tying the yarn, we will attach our hook. Chain 3. Now see carefully. Make a single crochet into this middle stitch right here. You can see this stitch in the middle. Make a single crochet there. Again chain 3 and single crochet into the next joining stitch, which is this one. So make a single crochet into this stitch. Again chain 3. Again make a single crochet into this middle stitch. You will repeat this for 6 times to make a total of 6 chain 3 spaces to hold our next petals. Chain 3, single crochet into the middle stitch, chain 3 and single crochet into the last joining stitch. Now you will see we have made a total of 6 chain 3 spaces here, where we will now make our petals. So we will start making the first petal. For that, slip stitch into the first chain 3 space, into this space, chain 3, and make 5 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 double crochets, you will chain 3 and slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. You will repeat this for a total of 6 times to make 6 petals. So again you will slip stitch to the next chain 3 space, chain 3, make 5 double crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch. Do this for a total of 6 times. Here I am done with making my 6 petals and now my work looks like this. Now we will work behind these 6 petals to make another 6 petals. So here you can see 6 joining stitches. Into those 6 joining stitches we will attach the next color, which is lavender for me. So into any of those 6 joining stitches attach your yarn. After attaching the yarn, attach your hook, chain 4 and make one single crochet into the next joining space. Here again chain 4, make one single crochet into the next joining space. Here I have made a total of 6 chain 4 spaces to hold my petal. So we will now slip stitch into the next chain 4 space, chain 3, and just like before again we will make 5 double crochets into the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 double crochets, you will chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same space. You will repeat this process for a total of 6 times to make a total of 6 petals of your third color. So slip stitch into the next space and keep making petals. Here I am done with all the 6 colors of my lavender petals. And that completes our flower design, and now we will make the hanging leaves. For that I am using light green color yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 12. After making 12 chains, you will skip the first 2 chains and make 2 double crochets into the third chain. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. After that you will chain 2 and slip stitch into the base stitch. Again you will make 2 double crochets into the same chain. So place another 2 double crochets into the same chain, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same chain. You will make another slip stitch into the next chain to complete the leaf. As you can see, the leaf structure has been formed. You will chain 12 again. Skip 2 chains, make 2 double crochets into the third, chain 2, make a slip stitch into the base stitch, make 2 double crochets again into the same chain, chain 2, make a slip stitch into that chain, and another slip stitch to complete the second leaf. In this way, you will keep repeating making leaves for as many leaves as you want. I have made a total of 20 leaves for my hair. You can make more or less if your hair is longer or shorter. Now I will show you how to make the small flowers to attach to the leaves. So make a magic ring with the color of flowers. Chain 3. Make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic ring, and that completes our first petal. In this way we will make a total of 5 petals into our magic ring. So this is our first petal, and now we will make a total of 5 petals. So again you will chain 3, place 3 double crochets into the ring, chain 3 and slip stitch into the ring. Similarly, make a total of 5 petals. Here I am done with making 5 petals and I have closed the ring. In this way, you will make as many flowers as you want. I have made a total of 6 flowers. Now we will stitch these flowers into the leaves. So we will stitch 3 flowers into each side. Here I have taken my yarn needle and randomly stitching the flowers into the leaf string. Stitch all the flowers to complete your hangings. Here I am done with the hangings. Now this is optional, but you can stitch a pearl in the middle of your flower to make it look more pretty. Here I have stitched the pearl, and now I have to attach the hair tie to my flower. I will show you how to attach the hair tie to the flower. For that, at first you will take your flower colored yarn and make a magic ring. After making the magic ring, you will make 6 single crochets into the ring. After you are done with 6 single crochets, you will slip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1. Now, we will start making 2 single crochets into each stitch. So make 2 single crochets into the next stitch Again 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and again 2 single crochets into the third stitch. Once you are done with making 2 single crochets into the first 3 stitches, you will take your hair tie and place this structure like this. And now you will make the next single crochet like this. This is your next stitch, and you will place a single crochet by yarning over the hair tie like this. Make another single crochet into the same stitch, and just like before, continue making 2 single crochets into the next stitches. So again 2 single crochets into the second stitch and 2 single crochets into the last stitch. We have done working into all stitches, and now we will slip stitch like this. So place it like this, yarn over the hair tie and make a slip stitch like this. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. It should look like this. Now take your yarn needle and simply stitch this structure behind your flower to attach the hair tie to the flower. So I will simply stitch this to behind. Now we just have to stitch these leaves below the hair tie. Place it like this and take your needle and simply stitch it here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions regarding any step of the process, please leave in the comments. If you want to enjoy more such unique tutorials in future, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.